friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Talk with AG. Today in this video, I am going to unbox the all new phone Redmi Note 7S, whose price is 13,999. So please see this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, and also click on like icon. So let's go. Friends, now let's start. I am having one of the best smartphones of Redmi Note 7S, which was recently launched on 23rd May 2019. It is available in two variants: 3GB RAM plus 32GB of internal storage, or 4GB RAM plus 64GB of internal storage. I am going to unbox the variant of 4GB RAM plus 64GB of internal storage. It is available in three colors: ruby red, sphere blue, and onyx black. So now let's unbox it. First, you will get a box. In this, you will get a SIM tool and a transparent cover for this phone. And a user guide and a warranty card. And here is a phone which is of ruby red color. It is having a fingerprint sensor, a flashlight, and two cameras of 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI dual rear camera and front camera of 13 megapixel. And it is also having two speakers at the bottom and one C-type charging port and a headset jack of 3.5mm. Its processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 with 2.2 GHz, and its length is 6.3 inches with top-notch display, which is made up of Gorilla Glass. Its aspect ratio is 19.5:9, and its resolution is 1080 into 2340. Its battery capacity is 4000 mAh with quick charging version 4, and it is also having a width of 8.1mm and a thickness of 75.2mm, and its weight is 186 grams. And you will also get a USB charging cable of C-type and my original charger, which was of 5 volts. So friends, this was the unboxing of all new phone Redmi Note 7S. Thank you for watching. So friends, this was the unboxing of all new phone Redmi Note 7S. I bought this phone because of its processor and camera. So please comment on the comment section that how much of you are going to buy this phone. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you for watching.